Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Mootion AI, an amazing platform that lets you create professional, studio-quality videos in just minutes. Whether you're a content creator, an educator, or a business owner, this tool makes video creation simple, fast, and fun. All right, let's jump right in. When you log in, the first thing you'll see is the Generate page. Here, you can start by typing your idea into the box at the top. For example, 10 tricks you don't know about your iPhone. With just one click, Mootion transforms that prompt into a complete video. Narration, visuals, animations, everything. You can also pick from categories like social media, kids, education, drama, narrative, religion, entertainment, and mindfulness. Each one comes with ready-to-use templates, bedtime stories, history lessons, faceless short videos, even bilingual storytelling. If you want more control, head into General Creation. Here, you can paste your own script, choose the output language, and decide if each paragraph should become a new scene. Next, pick an AI avatar to deliver your script, complete with natural gestures and lip sync. You can also set the video ratio, 16:9 for YouTube, 9:16 for TikTok, or 1:1 for Instagram. Finally, choose your visual style. Realistic, animated, artistic, whatever best matches your audience and platform. Mootion also gives you handy tools to polish your video. The image background editor lets you remove or change backgrounds instantly, and the image style transfer tool transforms your visuals into completely new artistic styles. These tools save time and help make your videos look professional without needing extra software. Next, let's check out the gallery. This is packed with example projects like Nelson Mandela: A Legacy, the painter of rewritten memories, or fun ideas like top 3 unhealthiest foods. Each project shows off a different look and style, from anime-inspired to realistic to artistic. At the top, you can filter by categories: motivation, horror, marketing, health and sports, parenting, society and culture, and more. The gallery is the perfect place to get inspired before making your own videos. Now, let's talk about the plans. Mootion has a free forever plan. It gives you 200 credits, up to 16 scenes per project, 7 visual styles, and even commercial use rights, all for free. The standard plan at $15 per month adds AI script editing, image editing, more realistic voiceovers, and watermark-free exports. The most popular option is the Plus plan at $25 per month. That gets you ultra-realistic voiceovers, faster video generation, and up to 32 scenes per project. And for the heavy creators, the Pro plan at $50 per month unlocks everything: 50,000 character prompts, unlimited voiceovers, and 100 gigabytes of storage. So, whether you're experimenting, building casually, or producing at a professional level, there's a plan for you. Before we wrap up, I want to show you a full demo project I created in Mootion. The idea was simple: a Minecraft-style cinematic battle between a knight in diamond armor and a skeleton knight wielding a glowing purple sword. Mootion handled everything, from planning the script to building storyboards, generating visuals, animating the scenes, and finally, producing a full short film. The final result is called Duel of Light and Darkness. It runs just over 3 minutes, in full HD. Let's play it now so you can see how Mootion brings a simple prompt to life. After watching, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Did the animation capture the epic clash of light and darkness? What stood out to you the most? Drop your feedback in the comments and help me judge this final film. And that's the full walkthrough of Mootion AI. As you've seen, it makes video creation incredibly easy. From typing a simple idea to customizing avatars, editing images, exploring the gallery, and exporting a polished video in minutes. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI tools and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay creative.
In the eerie silence of the dungeon, the only light came from glowing lanterns and flickering torches clinging to damp, cold stone walls. A tense anticipation filled the air as 2 figures stood on opposite ends of the shadowy arena, their breath visible in the chilling atmosphere. One, a human knight named Alex, was clad in shimmering diamond armor. The weight of the protective suit was offset by years of relentless training and countless battles fought. In her right hand, she gripped a sword that had seen many confrontations, its edge sharp and keen. Her left arm was raised, holding a sturdy shield decorated with scars of past victories. Facing Alex was a decidedly more sinister figure, a skeleton knight. Its hollow eye sockets glowed with an otherworldly purple, matching the intimidating sword in its bony hand. The sword seemed to pulse with a life of its own, casting an eerie glow on its wielding set face. The dungeon was silent, but for the faint dripping of water, a single droplet echoing loudly between the two combatants. Suddenly, with a flurry of motion, the duel began. Alex charged forward, sword and shield set for an epic clash. The skeleton knight met her assault with its own, purple blades swinging high, leaving trails of light in its wake. Steel met enchanted steel, and the collision sent bright sparks flying like mesmerizing fireworks. Each strike was precise, every parry and counter calculated to sway the battle in the attacker's favor. Fine dust rose from the dungeon floor where their feet shuffled and skidded, filling the air with a fog of history and decay. The fight felt as if it transcended time itself. The lanterns seemed to grow brighter with the intensity of their match, casting strange, long shadows that danced just out of sight. Alex used her shield expertly, deflecting the high, harsh swings of the skeletal blade with metallic clangs that echoed through the vast room. She pushed back with a fervor, her sword striking downwards with determination and skill. For each blow Alex landed, the skeleton countered with a spell-like energy, pushing back with an unnatural strength only a creature of its origin could muster. But this did not deter Alex. Her eyes flashed with resolve as the fight carried on, neither able to gain true dominance, the lanterns relentlessly burning as witnesses to their ceaseless duel under the earth. In this epic confrontation beneath the world, a fight of light against darkness was unfolding. And in the depths of this dark dungeon, amidst sparks and dust, the battle raged towards its unknown and fateful conclusion.